Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a cool one for you today. 69 GTO, and she is beautiful. Look at that deep blue paint, man. Absolutely gorgeous. The metallic in that paint is dancing in the sun and just looking sweet. Of course, the hood on these things are iconic. Just love it. It's got the Tach in the hood. And then the Enduro bumper also looking beautiful. The fold-away headlights, I mean, just everything about the car is looking sweet. The body lines are all lined up great, looking sweet. I'll tell you, you do not see very many of these cars done to this level. She is absolutely gorgeous, and I just love the color on this thing. One of the coolest things about this car is a buddy of mine in high school had one, and I got my first drag racing ticket going up against him in his GTO. And we weren't even drag racing, we were just taking off quick, you know? But I got to sit in the courtroom all day and listen to traffic violations, and then I think they slapped me with a fine and let me go. So you can see the dash is all restored, looking sweet, brand new. Got the T-grip on that Hurst handle there. Center console's looking sweet. Also, the upholstery on the seats look like it's brand new. Just gorgeous. You can see the package tray back there is looking sweet. The headliner's looking good. The dome light works. We got the shoulder belts up there still. Just everything about the car just off the hook. The attention to detail on it is absolutely beautiful. You can see also the door jambs are all nicely painted. The rubber's been redone. It's looking good. Get the key out here. We're going to open up the trunk. You can see that quarter panel's looking nice and smooth, nice and soft. Chrome on the back bumper's looking good. All the emblems are looking good. Now watch those hinges, man. That trunk lid came right up. You can see the trunk floor is also looking nice and clean. Make sure whenever a car's got a mat in the trunk that you lift that mat up and check underneath. You can see the gutter system and the rubber's all brand new, looking good. You can also see that the bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. The latch was out when they did the restoration. Always check this bottom lip, especially whenever they have a chrome strip like this. That chrome strip it's actually stainless. It goes over the edge, so it creates like a little trough for water to stand in there. Now when you look down the passenger side, you can see everything's lined up nice, looking sweet. You can see all the reflections of the cars in the parking lot and that quarter panel. Just looking absolutely beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do consignment, so that means we own this GTO, so we were proud enough of it to lay out our money. And then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer every one of your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. All right, let's take this GTO for a ride. 4-speed, 400, numbers matching under the hood, but she has been stroked out. So it's the original block and they stroked it out. I tell you, sounding amazing. Of course, you know what I'm gonna say right now is I'd put louder mufflers on it, but to each his own. I tell you, mufflers are easy if you like to make noise, but she still has a real throaty sound to her. Sounding amazing, driving great too. Now, these are one of the cars that, you know, you guys know how many cars we look at every month and every year, and I've been doing it for a living here for quite a long time and as a hobby for even longer. And you just don't see these GTOs done to this level, hardly ever. So this is a rare beast right here, and absolutely beautiful. They picked such a great color to put on this car. I absolutely love it. You can also see that that heads-up display Tach out there is looking sweet. Get around the corner here, we'll take a look at the rest of the dash. Of course, she's upshifting and downshifting well. I always check them. You see this dash is looking sweet. I mean, it looks like it's brand new. And then the bumps and the rattles in here, very, very fuel. Very, very tight car right here. Just absolutely love it. The steering wheel looks like it's brand new too. Tell you what, I'm in love with the GTO right now. Take this to any car show, I guarantee you it is going to draw some attention. Now we are about to go do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes on the lift, gets inspected, gets pictured, gets videoed, and that's what we're going to go back to the shop right now and do, so stick with us. If you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We've always got new inventory coming in. So keep an eye on the website, and also make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you get a notification every time we get a new car in, which is, like I said, about 40 a month. Always got something cool coming in. Well, we're back here at our shop right now at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. Now's when we're going in the air. All right, we're underneath the GTO now, and man, it's pretty under here. You can see that the tank's been all cleaned up and restored. It's probably a new tank, but it's got, you know, it's probably a few years old. We got brand new exhaust on there. Again, the exhaust looks like it's about the same age as the tank. In the rear end, we do believe it's the original gear set in here because it's a 392, and that's what it was born as, and it is a limited slip. You can see it looks like it's got a late model sway bar on it because I still see a tag on it here. The lower control arms look like rebuilt units because they've got fairly new bushings. The extra braces here going up to the upper control arms there, they look like they're brand new. The upper control arms also look like rebuilt units. The brake line and the fuel line are all cleaned up, looking good. We got nice tight undercoating on the bottom side here. It looks like it's probably a bed liner material. We got an X-pipe in here. We've got a Muncie transmission in here also. The car was born with an automatic, but has been replaced with this Muncie, which in my opinion ups the value of this car. We've got a stock appearing bell housing with stock appearing clutch linkage also. Stock appearing starter on there too. I see the exhaust manifolds also look like they're stock. We got disc brakes up front. We've got drums in the back, and the guys will pull all the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Of course, they also check out all the steering gear. The front frame horns look fine to me. I don't see any tweaks or anything in those. The paint work right down to the bottom edge of the nose is looking good here. That lower balance is also looking sweet. Now we've got BFGs on here, and we've got the stock appearing wheels that look like they've got a really nice paint job on them. And this trim ring looks like it's brand new. Two 1570 15s on the tire size. I always look at the pinch weld, always feel the back side of the pinch weld. The back side of the rocker here is a little rough to the touch, but it is solid as a rock. You can see they also painted the bottom side of the rocker. The pinch weld itself is nice and clean and tight. That rocker molding on the shine on that is beautiful. The shine on the wheel lip molding is also beautiful. Out back, again, great looking paint job on the wheel, and it looks like the trim ring is brand new. And there's the size there. 255 60 15s. Well, let's lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here is looking sweet also. You can see the whole core support's been all cleaned up and painted nicely with chassis black. Looks like a brand new closeout panel here. Fan shrouds in great shape. Cross flow radiator here, also looks like a rebuilt unit. We got, looks like a later model alternator on it. It does have power steering. There's the power steering pump right there. We do have power brakes. You see the booster here, looks like it's a rebuilt unit. Windshield wiper motor, looks like it's a rebuilt unit at one time. It looks like it does have an aftermarket AC compressor on it also. And it looks like the car was born with AC. You see that evaporator box is all nice and clean, looking sweet. The firewall is also nice and clean, looking sweet. It does have a Quadrajet carburetor. That is a 4-barrel on there. You can see the inner wheelhouses are all painted up nice. You see how they brought the paint right inside the engine compartment here, looking good, just like it should. I mean, everything about this thing, even the fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood and the chassis black on the bottom side of the hood's looking sweet. Guys, she's a stroker motor. She's got a 4-speed. She's a GTO and it's a 69. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. I almost gave you my phone number instead of Tom's.